life is limited unless you can boost it back into a higher orbit. So the reality is that the satellites kind of, they follow the same orbit. That's a radio wave, isn't it? So
We're at the McCullough Vista Dog Park on our way to Vegas. Go Saga! Here's Crazy Wade. I'm mentally ill. Woo! Saga! Tea. Good girl. Hi, Saga. What are you doing, baby? We're getting ready to check in. We've been in line for a while. She doesn't like it. Hi, Corky. American Rescue Dogs.
American Rescue Dogs.
Rescue Dogs. That's what we need right now. We got the dogs.
There, finally. What a mess. American Road Dogs. We just checked in Vegas, and any of you who have ever been to Vegas before knows that check-in can be extremely pain. Even with VIP check-in, it can be a pain in the ass. So
Saga's totally freaked
we
out.
survived that.
Hi, dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's not. Yeah, good girl.
This one, the big one up here.
Yeah.
And same with the cooler.
Yeah, we'll put that over here.
And then this right here.
That's the dog food.
You want to go potty, Saga? So, the hotel said they're dog friendly and they have 2 dog parks in the hotel. I mean, this is probably, maybe 10 feet, by 4 feet. I don't know. I mean, they said the other one is closed, so they're not getting good dog friendly reviews from me. Hi, baby. Saga does not like Vegas so far.
Tuesday night in Vegas. American Road Dogs. Tuesday night in Vegas. What the fuck's the matter with this world? Jesus Christ.
So that has her own couch. She likes it.
Okay. Did he shit yet?
No.
American Road Dogs.
American Road Dogs headed to the Sphere. We're going to see the Wizard of Oz.
The Wizard of Oz. What the hell am I doing?
Bam. Corky.
What?
I don't know what I came on here to say. I just came on here to take a video.
American Road Dogs. We're walking down the strip in Vegas. How about that? We just finished seeing the Wizard of Oz at the Sphere. It's really amazing.
It was so good. Yeah,
Really
it was definitely
amazing.
good. I have my souvenir. You know what?
Seriously.
So we came to this restaurant called the Lazy Dog, and the dogs actually get their own meals here. You ready, baby?
Wait. There you go, buddy.
Reed is so excited.
Wild thing, you make my heart sing.
All right, so the hotel just brought boxes for the dogs. These are for you, baby. You get one. Wade, you get one. Wade doesn't know how to get into those things. Saga knows how to get these boxes. She's so excited. Oh my goodness, the Cosmopolitan brought you a box. What's in that boxy? Wade does not know how to get into those boxes. Saga, leave it to the Belgian Malinois. That's so. Look at these dogs, dude. Look at these dogs. They are fighting over their new toy. Saga, get that toy. No barking. That's such a good dog, Saga. She's hot. Hi, dogs. I have a dog named Saga. Did you have fun running, baby? Yeah, you had fun running. You caught the frisbee. You're so good at catching the frisbee. You're a good girl. You're gonna watch the hotel room. We're gonna go see a show. And then we're gonna have dinner. Okay, baby?
American Road Dogs at Michael Jackson 1.
All right, go ahead.
American Road Dogs. We're in Mandalay Bay. We're going to the Cirque du Soleil Michael Jackson 1.
As a VIP.
As a VIP. Anything for her, right?
I'm very
Is
excited.
this my first choice? Was it my first choice?
I'm very excited.
She says it was my first choice, and it makes it my first choice. We are at the Michael Jackson VIP experience. Let's get this up a little bit. So. American Road Dogs. And I've got bad news. I'm gonna dump her because right over here is my new girlfriend. Let me show you. Right here. How about that? American Road Dogs.
Have you seen any of our search shows?
I like this monkey lamp. This monkey lamp right here. It is. I was thinking that. It looks like your monkey lamp. So we got popcorn. I got my little commemorative cup over here.
We're the only search show.
VIP experience. All right, Corky, you ready?
What do you want me to do? I'm ready for the show. You know, we were in back room somewhere and talking to the performers and the director saw me and tried to recruit me for the show. They knew I would be a great Michael Jackson dancer.
Let's make history.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Uber. Last night in Vegas. It does have its own kind of beauty to it.